Hello contractors, do-it-yourselfers. I have been watching a lot of video content on deck construction, and I noticed when butyl was applied to the deck frame that it was done by hand, either with or without gloves. And I was wondering why they did not use a tape gun. So I searched high and low and I could not find a tape gun for butyl tape. Most of the tape guns that are out there are made for packing tape, like this. And as you can see, there's butyl tape. There's a big difference. So most guns cannot accommodate such a wide diameter of tape. Moreover, the packing tape has a the butyl tape has a release liner, and the guns don't have a mechanism to be able to remove the release liner. However, at First Adhesive Technologies, we re-engineered a gun that allows bigger tape diameter as well as a mechanism to remove the release liner. You remove this locking arm, it self-locks, you leave it locked, you put it through here, you get about 12 inches, and then you remove the release liner and put it through there, pull that release liner, shut it. You're all ready to go. I got one ready installed here to show you. Here it is. Notice there, you got that release liner on there. Just pull it through there. Easy peasy. Interested in one of these guns? Go to first-adhesive.com. Purchase it there. By the way, we do have as well a little wiper and blade you can add onto the end. Right there. But again, this is only for packing tape. You will not be able to use this for butyl. Butyl is way too sticky and thick. You would have to be using a cutter, utility knife. We prefer one that's retractable for safety reasons. So that way you won't be cutting your leg. Please subscribe for video content, future video content. Hit the like button and notification bell for you can be notified of future videos that we're going to upload. Hope this helps you in your deck project. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye.